Welcome back to our Excel tutorial series. In today's video, we're going to learn a neat trick, how to count unique values in Excel quickly and easily. Let's start with a simple table. We have some numbers listed in column A. To count the unique values in this column, we'll use a combination of two functions, SumProduct and frequency. Now, here's the formula. Type equals SumProduct. Bracket open. Dash dash. Bracket open. Frequency. Bracket start. Select data range. Comma. Select range again. Bracket close. Greater than 0. Bracket close close. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter key. See the result. Let me break it down for you. The frequency function calculates how often each value occurs in the range. Then, we use the SumProduct function to count the number of unique values. When we apply this formula to our data, we get the count of unique values. In this case, it's 8. A quick and efficient way to count unique values in Excel using just a simple formula. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching.